Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing to you a best DIY face pack that helps to get your brightening skins and also remove your hypigmentation problem, spots problem naturally that have gone. So let's start how do I make my DIY face pack. In this my first ingredient is turmeric powder, yogurt and sandalwood powder. Friends, this time if you have a no sandalwood powder in your home, then avoid sandalwood powder and use this time in Fuller's Art. So friends, this is my three ingredients to help to get a brightening skins and also remove my pigmentations. At first I take a bowl and a spoon to make my ingredients properly to mix it. Now I take 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder. Then I take half spoon of turmeric powder. Don't take full spoons of turmeric powder because turmeric powder has an if you have a more turmeric powder to use this, and if you have a problem to rashes. Then take yogurt 1 tablespoon and mix it properly to make a good consistency. One tips for bridals and would-be bridals, because if you have to getting married or if you have to join in any kind of party, and if you want to get a instant glowing face to going this party, to use this face pack, because this face pack this face pack helps to get your instant glowing skins and also remove your pigmentations problems, spots remove and brightening face to get you want. For bridals girls, use this pack daily and get a smooth, soft and also healthy and shiny look. Normally use this pack when you're going to your shower and leave it to 15 to 20 minutes to dry, and after dry it, then use your wet hand and slowly massage with upper direction on your skins, and then slowly massage and remove this face pack. After remove this face pack, just cold water used to remove your skins and wash your skins properly. Friends, use this face pack daily for better result. So friends, this is my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.